Hi, my name is Silvia. I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina. I'm ontological certified professional coach. I work as a coach in organizations. Also, I'm an actress and a tango dancer, professional tango dancers. I've been working as an artist for my last 25 years. All the process really of 3 moments of all these journeys that I can identify is the big process of letting go, the process of creating space and creating time, and the process of taking actions. Spectacular questions that surround me and like treasures, they are like gifts. The concept of true essence and what is to work my true essence, taking first hand happiness experience, for sure. Stay focused about connectedness and expressiveness that impact me a lot. And of course the happiness success framework, that really was something new for me, and it's very, very, very powerful tool. And the daily activities, I mean, these daily activities that we have for these 7-8 weeks keep me awake, not only aware, but awake. It's like a daily happiness training. So don't identify me anymore like certain label or judgments or beliefs that reduce my energy a lot. Also release or let go some poison, toxic emotions or toxic experience that I was carrying. I can remember 2 that really very, very, that I can't let them go finally, and that doesn't disturb me anymore. Pending issues, we work a lot of pending issues, and by taking concrete action, just not like a mosquito problem or whatever, accumulate pending issues, release also contradictions and try to be more unified myself. And again, I think that this journey is like, I'm relieving a lot of luggage that I can't believe I was carrying. And this is becoming like a new meaning of happiness. Just to go through life a little bit more with less weight, instead of so much theory of model of happiness. I think that first, what I find is that first I have to start with myself, to encourage myself to relieve beliefs, to relieve poison, to let go things. It was like a mindful gratitude experience. Before this Happiitude experience, I used to think that happiness is a life choice. And now I rethink happiness, and after this journey, I can say that happiness has to do a lot with life actions. So there is no happiness for me if I don't take actions and keep ruminating about what is happening of this model or that model. So you helped me a lot. Thank you.